सब्सक्राइब करें एडीटेक को और आगे का बेल बटन भी दबा दीजिए जिससे कि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो मिले आपको सबसे पहले।
Hello guys, welcome to EDTech. We are from Size Solutions. We are a professional project developer of the diploma B or ME level projects. Okay, so we develop the different branches projects like mechanical, automobile, ENTC, engineering, electrical, IT or computer. So here this is a IoT based air pollution monitoring system. So this is a diploma level final year project. So here I will show you all the hardware parts firstly, and then I will show you how it's working. So basically here we use the 12 volt 2 ampere adapter as a power supply here. Okay, here we use this 5 volt regulator power supplier. Okay, so all this working are all this controller, LCD and other sensors are working on 5 volt. So here we need to 5 volt. So this is supply used for the 5 volt. But here is our ESP01 module for connection to the server for Wi-Fi connectivity. So for this is working on the 3.3 volt. So here we use this CLM317 IC for the convert the 5 volt to the 3.3 volt and give it to this Wi-Fi module. Okay, so this is our controller unit. So here we use a controller Arduino Nano. This is a main controller of the project. Here is a 16x2 LCD display. This is the ESP01 Wi-Fi module. This is a 32-bit Wi-Fi module. Okay, so this is a 4 sensor for the air pollution detecting monitoring. Here firstly he is a MQ135 sensor. Actually this is a air quality sensor. Then it is a MQ2 sensor. This is MQ6 sensor, and this is MQ9 sensor. Actually this is seen like same, but they are different sensors. Okay, so now I will show you the working of the project. But here we cannot detect give the LPG to the this sensor. So here we use this to the detecting smoke to all sensors and show the value at here, and respectively we connect this all data to see the all monitor data to this computer screen on this channel. Okay, so this is a 4 our this is a MQ135 quality air quality sensors. This is a MQ2 LPG and propane sensor. Okay, this is a MQ6, that is ISO butane and propane with LPG. This detects this that airs. Okay, or this is a MQ9. This is a carbon monoxide detector. Okay, so all these data we will monitor at here IoT through. So here let's I start the power supply. So you can see here basically air monitoring system connecting to Wi-Fi. Here we started the mobile hotspot, so it will connected to this mobile hotspot. One is on our project and another is this computer. Okay, so you can see here now it shows connected to the server. Okay, this is the value of the different sensors. So here I will give smoke to the different sensors. So you can see here. Okay, so it will detected and you can see here. Okay, so as I detected it, the value will changes varies continuously. You can see here, look at 135, the value will automatically goes up to the 249 from 190 approx. Okay, so same as well all the sensors work. So you can see here this will also detects, and here value will automatically get increase MQ2. So actually this is reset automatically because here plus or minus has shorted at here. Okay, so wait, it again connecting to Wi-Fi connected, then connecting to the server. Okay, connected to the server. So here we are giving this smoke to the MQ2 sensor. Actually this is a positive negative shorted in bit, so automatically get updated. You can see here the value of this MQ2 sensor will increase. Okay, it will increase gradually. Actually here is a seen only 2 bits. It is a 320 something. Okay, so here is a MQ6 sensor. Same I will show, it will automatically detect it, and here is the value of the MQ6 sensor will automatically increases. Okay, same MQ9. This is detect the different type of gases, but also it detect the smoke. So here, okay, so this is all data here LCD. It also sent to this monitor here continuously. You can see here the last one is MQ3 is a 70 January 17 2022. You can see here 1/17/2022. Okay, so that means so, here is this at this data will come off right now. Okay, so that is here is right now 12:29. You can see here 28:55. Okay, so it will continuously sending data to this server. We can continuously monitor this by using this project. Okay, so this is a basically prototype sensor, all this prototype project. So thank you for guys watching this video. So we are, if anyone doubt, you can contact us. I will give my contact number in the description. Also I will provide all my Insta ID links so at description, and email address also. You can visit it and support guys. Thank you.